How to use Alibaba AI Qwen Chat 2.5. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Qwen 2.5 AI. Login and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website. Option chat.qwenlm.ai. Open it. Now sign up or provide your credential and log into your account. Currently, there is no native application for Qwen Chat 2.5, so you will need to access it to the web browser. This AI is designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generate content. Qwen Chat 2.5 supports both text and image inputs, allowing for a virtual interaction experience. Multimodal can utilize various tools and enhance its response, providing more accurate and conceptual relevant information. User can generate artifacts such as images and videos directly through the chat interface. Click on the option of more. You can get access to all these features: create image, video, code, make a plan, analyze image, summarize text, get advice. Being strong to enable any of it. Just click on it, then provide the prompt. Let's generate picture. Once you provide the prompt, click on this arrow. You need to wait for a few seconds. With that, gonna provide you with the response. And here, my image ready. You are able to like, dislike, download or share this picture. If you are not satisfied with this one response, you can again regenerate it. By following these setups, you can effectively utilize Alibaba Qwen Chat 2.5 for personal or professional needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.